Okay, so this is an example of a Desmos Polygraph activity. And so I have been linked with a partner. His assignment is to choose a line, and then I am going to ask questions of him. So my first question is going to be, does, I could type, your line have a positive slope? Okay, so I am going to now send him this message, and you can see that at the top. So does your line have a positive slope? And so he's going to choose the answer and send it to me. Now he has to answer in either yes or no. So he says yes. So then what I'm going to do is I need to go through and eliminate everything that does not have a positive slope. So these are all negative slopes. This is a 0, so forth. So I'm going to go through and eliminate everything. Okay? So I've eliminated my stuff, and now I'm going to eliminate what is. Now I'm going to go through and ask another question. Maybe I want to say, does your graph have a positive y-intercept? And what you want to do is encourage your students to ask questions to use our math vocabulary. So y-intercept being one of our vocabularies. So he needs to tell me, does his graph have a positive? And he says yes. So now I'm going to go through and eliminate anything that has a negative y-intercept. Well, when I look at this one has a 0, but everything else has positive, so that really wasn't a very good question. Okay? I could ask, does your graph have a slope of, let's get specific here. So we're going to do rise over run. I'm going to say 2. Trying to decide. No, it doesn't have a slope of 2. So I can eliminate this one. Which one was it that had a slope of 2? Rise 2, run 1. So I can eliminate that one. So you can keep doing it. Now I've got to find something that's going to narrow it down, because really what I want to do is be able to have the least amount of questions. So now I'm going to ask him, let's see, what do I want to ask? Does your graph have a y-intercept of 1? And he said no. So I know that one doesn't work, and I think that one doesn't work. That's kind of hard to see. Okay? So keep going. Does your graph, now if you eliminate something that was the correct answer, it's going to pop up and tell you, hey, you eliminated the answer. Does your graph have a, let's see, what do we want to say? Slope of 1. And he says yes. So this one is the only one that has a slope of 1, which means I'm going to eliminate these 2. And uh-oh, something happened. I eliminated the wrong one. So that's how it works. So again, if you eliminate it, then it's going to come up and tell you. So it says now I can talk with him and figure out what I did wrong.